Welcome back to Auto Gear Insider. Today, I'm diving into the 25 essential automotive tools on Amazon that every car owner, DIY mechanic, and garage enthusiast should know about. Whether you're handling routine maintenance, emergency roadside fixes, or major repair projects, having the right tools can save time, money, and frustration. This carefully selected lineup includes practical, innovative, and highly useful tools designed to make automotive work easier and more efficient. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product.
Automotive Detailing Pick Set. Automotive Detailing Pick Set, I've been using this set for detailed automotive cleaning, and it helps me reach tight spaces like vents, trims, seals, and dashboard gaps with ease and precision. The hardened steel tips feel strong and durable, even with repeated use, and they don't bend under pressure. I like the ergonomic handles because they provide a firm, comfortable grip during delicate cleaning tasks. It works perfectly for removing dirt, debris, and buildup in narrow areas where regular tools cannot reach. Overall, it is a simple, reliable detailing kit that improves accuracy, speed, and cleaning results in both professional workshops and home garages, making every detailing job easier and more controlled for everyday automotive maintenance and interior care work. Brake Caliper Bleeder Kit. Brake Caliper Bleeder Kit. I've used this kit for brake maintenance, and it makes the bleeding process much faster, cleaner, and more controlled than traditional methods. It efficiently removes trapped air from brake lines, which helps improve braking performance and safety. The transparent container allows easy monitoring of fluid flow, so I can avoid mess and confusion during use. The build quality feels solid, and it works with most standard brake systems, making it highly versatile. I also like how it reduces the need for extra help. Overall, it is a reliable tool that saves time, improves accuracy, and delivers professional-level results for both DIY users and mechanics working in garage environments during routine brake servicing tasks.
Cordless Ratchet Wrench Kit. I've been using this cordless ratchet for automotive repairs, and it makes tightening and loosening bolts much faster and easier, especially in tight engine spaces where manual tools struggle. It delivers strong torque with smooth operation, which improves efficiency during repair work. The battery lasts well for multiple tasks and charges quickly, reducing downtime. I really like the ergonomic grip because it feels comfortable during long use and reduces hand fatigue. The compact design helps reach difficult areas easily. Overall, it is a powerful, convenient tool that combines speed, control, and portability, making it a great upgrade for both professional mechanics and DIY users who want faster and more efficient repair performance daily. High Torque Impact Wrench. I've used this impact wrench for heavy-duty automotive tasks, and it delivers impressive torque power that easily handles stubborn bolts and rusted fasteners without struggle. The motor feels strong and consistent, which makes it reliable for demanding repair jobs. I like the compact design because it allows access to tight spaces while still delivering powerful performance. The grip is comfortable and reduces vibration, which helps during longer working sessions. It is suitable for both workshop professionals and home garage users. Overall, this impact wrench is a durable, high-performance tool that makes tough mechanical jobs faster, easier, and more efficient while maintaining strong control and consistent results across automotive repair applications daily.
CV Boot Clamp Pliers. CV boot clamp pliers. I've used these pliers for CV joint repairs, and they make installing and tightening boot clamps much easier and more secure than manual methods. They provide strong gripping force that ensures a tight seal and prevents loosening over time. The handles are comfortable, which helps reduce hand fatigue during repeated use. The construction feels solid and durable for regular workshop work. They work well on most standard CV boot clamps, making them versatile for automotive repair tasks. Overall, this tool is essential for mechanics and DIY users who want precise, reliable, and efficient clamp installation results while improving safety and durability in drivetrain maintenance work across different vehicle types with consistent performance. EVAP Smoke Leak Detector. EVAP Smoke Leak Detector. I found this tool extremely useful for diagnosing fuel system and EVAP leaks quickly and accurately without unnecessary part replacement. It produces steady smoke output that helps reveal even small leaks in hoses, valves, and connectors, making troubleshooting much faster. The operation is simple and beginner-friendly while still offering professional-level accuracy. I like the compact design because it's easy to store and use in any garage setup. It saves time compared to manual inspection methods and reduces guesswork. Overall, this smoke leak detector is a highly effective diagnostic tool that improves accuracy, speeds up repair work, and helps mechanics and DIY users find hidden issues in automotive systems with confidence.
Electrical disconnect plier set. The electrical disconnect plier set is perfect for separating stubborn connectors without breaking them. Modern vehicles use a lot of plastic clips and fuel line connectors that can be tricky to release by hand. I like how these pliers are specially shaped to grip and squeeze connectors safely. They're ideal for fuel lines, evap lines, and other quick connect fittings. The long handles provide extra leverage, making it easier to access tight spaces under the hood. Instead of forcing connectors and risking damage, these pliers help you work smarter. The durable construction ensures they hold up under repeated use. If you're performing fuel system repairs or working on emissions components, having the right disconnect tool saves time and avoids unnecessary part replacements during maintenance.
6V12V Battery Load Tester. The 6V12V Battery Load Tester is a straightforward yet powerful diagnostic tool. I use it to quickly check the health of car and small vehicle batteries under load conditions. Instead of relying solely on voltage readings, this tester simulates real-world demand to see how the battery performs. The analog display is easy to read, and it gives immediate feedback on whether the battery is good, weak, or needs replacement. It works with both 6V and 12V systems, making it versatile for different vehicles. The heavy-duty clamps ensure solid connections during testing. If you're unsure why your car struggles to start, this tool can quickly confirm whether the battery is the culprit. It's simple, reliable, and great for preventative maintenance checks. Ventus EVAP Smoke Tester. The Ventus EVAP Smoke Tester is designed to pinpoint leaks in your vehicle's evaporative emission system. I find it incredibly useful when dealing with persistent check engine lights related to EVAP codes. It produces thick, visible smoke that makes even small leaks easy to spot. The compact design means it doesn't take up much space in the garage, yet it delivers professional-level performance. Setup is straightforward and it works with a standard power source. By identifying leaks in hoses, seals, or the charcoal canister system, you can fix issues before they become costly repairs. For anyone serious about diagnostics, this tool removes the guesswork. It's a smart investment for improving accuracy and saving time during troubleshooting sessions. 10-amp Smart Battery Charger. The 10-amp Smart Battery Charger is a must-have for keeping your car battery in top shape year-round. I love how it automatically detects 6V and 12V batteries, making it perfect for cars, motorcycles, boats, and even lawn equipment. The intelligent charging system prevents overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, which gives me peace of mind when leaving it connected overnight. It also features a clear digital display that shows charging status and voltage in real time. In colder months, the repair mode helps restore weak batteries and extend their lifespan. Compact yet powerful, this charger is easy to store and simple to use. If you're tired of dealing with dead batteries, this smart charger is a reliable addition to your garage toolkit for daily drivers or project cars. CC 1200 Newton-meter Impact Wrench. The CC 1200 Newton-meter Impact Wrench is a powerhouse that makes lug nut removal feel effortless. I love how much torque this compact tool delivers, making it perfect for tire changes, suspension work, and heavy-duty fastening jobs. It's cordless, which gives you freedom to move around without dragging an air hose or extension cord. The variable speed trigger provides better control, especially when tightening bolts back into place. Many kits include multiple batteries, so you're not stuck waiting for a recharge mid-project. Despite its strength, the ergonomic design keeps it comfortable during longer tasks. Whether you're working on wheels, engine mounts, or stubborn bolts, this impact wrench delivers serious performance. It's a game changer for both home garages and mobile repair setups. 27-inch flexible clamp pliers. The 27-inch flexible clamp pliers are a lifesaver when dealing with hard-to-reach hose clamps. I've used standard pliers before, and accessing tight engine bay areas can be incredibly frustrating. These pliers feature a long, flexible cable that allows you to reach around obstacles with ease. The locking mechanism holds the clamp open, freeing up your hands to reposition hoses comfortably. That extra control makes coolant hose, radiator, and fuel line jobs much smoother. The durable construction ensures they can handle tough spring clamps without bending or slipping.
If you regularly work under the hood, you'll appreciate how much time and effort this tool saves. It turns awkward, cramped tasks into manageable jobs and reduces the risk of damaged hoses. Topdon BT100 Battery Tester. The Topdon BT100 Battery Tester is a compact and reliable tool for quickly checking battery health. I like how simple it is to use. Just connect the clamps, select the battery type, and get instant results. It tests 12-volt batteries and provides clear readings on voltage, state of charge, and overall condition. The bright digital screen makes the information easy to understand, even for beginners. Instead of guessing whether your battery will survive another season, this tester gives you confidence with accurate diagnostics. It's small enough to store in your glove box, which is great for emergencies. For routine maintenance or troubleshooting starting issues, the BT100 delivers dependable performance and helps prevent unexpected breakdowns before they happen. Autoline EVAP Smoke Machine. The Autoline EVAP Smoke Machine takes leak detection to the next level with consistent and controlled smoke output. I'd appreciate how quickly it heats up and begins producing smoke, saving time during diagnostics. It's ideal for testing EVAP systems, intake systems, and vacuum lines. The durable construction gives it a professional feel, and it's built to handle repeated use. With precise pressure control, you reduce the risk of damaging sensitive components. This machine makes tracking down small leaks far easier than traditional methods. Instead of replacing parts blindly, you can visually confirm the issue first. If you want dealership-style diagnostic capability in your own workspace, this smoke machine delivers reliable results and helps eliminate unnecessary repairs and frustration. Ansel BA101 Battery Tester. The Ansel BA101 Battery Tester is compact but packed with advanced features. I like how it provides detailed information about battery health, voltage, internal resistance, and cranking performance within seconds. It works on 12-volt batteries and supports various battery types, making it versatile for different vehicles. The digital display is clear and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Instead of guessing whether your battery is failing, this tester gives accurate, data-driven results. It's especially helpful before long trips or seasonal changes. The plug-and-play design means no complicated setup is required. For anyone who wants a quick and reliable way to monitor battery condition, this tool makes preventative maintenance simple and helps eliminate unnecessary repairs and frustration. SPTA Mini Rotary Polisher. The SPTA Mini Rotary Polisher is perfect for detailing and paint correction in tight areas. I love using it for headlights, door handles, mirrors, and other small sections where larger polishers struggle. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to control, reducing fatigue during longer jobs. Despite its small frame, it delivers impressive power and adjustable speed settings for precise polishing. It's great for removing light scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation. Many kits include various pads and attachments, making it versatile for different surfaces. Whether you're restoring headlights or refining paintwork, this mini polisher adds professional-level finishing touches. For car enthusiasts who care about appearance, this tool helps achieve a cleaner, glossier finish with minimal effort. Xtool A30D OBD2 Scanner. The Xtool A30D OBD2 scanner brings advanced diagnostics right to your smartphone. I really like how it connects via Bluetooth and works with an app, turning your phone into a powerful scan tool. It reads and clears trouble codes, displays live data, and supports multiple vehicle systems beyond just the engine. That means deeper insights into ABS, transmission, and other modules on supported vehicles. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible even if you're new to diagnostics. It's compact enough to keep in your glove box, ready whenever a warning light appears. Instead of heading straight to a repair shop, you can quickly identify issues yourself. For DIY mechanics, this scanner offers convenience, flexibility, and impressive functionality in one device. Wiper Arm Puller Tool. The Wiper Arm Puller Tool makes removing stubborn wiper arms simple and damage-free. I've struggled before trying to pry off wiper arms without the right tool, and it usually risks bending components or scratching the windshield area. This tool applies even pressure to safely lift the arm from the spline. It's compact, easy to position, and works on most standard wiper arms. The sturdy construction ensures durability while protecting surrounding parts. Whether you're replacing worn wipers or servicing the motor assembly, this tool saves time and prevents frustration. It's one of those small tools that makes a big difference. For quick maintenance jobs, having a dedicated puller ensures cleaner results and avoids unnecessary repairs caused by improper removal techniques. 240 PCS Bumper Retainer Clips. The 240 PCS Bumper Retainer Clips kit is something I always recommend keeping in the garage. If you've ever removed a bumper, splash shield, or interior panel, you already know how easy it is to break or lose those tiny plastic fasteners. This kit includes a wide variety of clip sizes and styles that fit most common applications. I like that it comes organized in a storage box, making it easy to find the right piece quickly. Instead of running to the store for one missing clip, you'll have backups ready. These retainers are made from durable plastic designed to handle vibration and weather exposure. For anyone doing body work, trim repairs, or underbody maintenance, this affordable kit saves time, money, and frustration during reassembly jobs.
12-volt automotive smoke tester. The 12-volt automotive smoke tester is a game changer for finding vacuum and intake leaks. Instead of guessing where air might be escaping, this tool pumps visible smoke into the system so leaks become obvious within minutes. I find it incredibly helpful when diagnosing rough idling, poor fuel economy, or check engine lights related to air leaks. It's easy to set up, just connect it to the battery and the system you want to test. The smoke output is consistent and thick enough to clearly reveal even small cracks or loose fittings. This tool works great for testing evap systems, intake manifolds, and vacuum lines. For DIY mechanics who want professional-level diagnostics at home, this smoke tester makes troubleshooting faster, cleaner, and much more accurate overall. Testlong two-way borescope. The Testlong two-way borescope lets me see inside areas that would normally require major disassembly. With its dual-lens camera design, I can switch between forward and side views, which is incredibly useful when inspecting engine cylinders, intake ports, or tight spaces behind panels. The high-definition display provides clear visuals, and the adjustable LED lights help illuminate dark areas. I like that it's compatible with smartphones or comes with its own screen depending on the model. The flexible cable makes maneuvering inside small openings much easier. Whether you're checking for carbon buildup, inspecting valves, or looking for hidden damage, this tool saves time and effort. Instead of tearing apart components, you can inspect first and make informed repair decisions with confidence and precision.
Auto Trim Removal Tool Set. An auto trim removal tool set is essential if you want to remove panels without causing damage. I've used screwdrivers before, and trust me, that usually leads to scratches or broken clips. This set is made from durable, non-marring plastic designed specifically for safely prying interior and exterior trim pieces. Whether you're replacing a stereo, fixing wiring, or upgrading interior parts, these tools make the process smoother. The ergonomic design gives good leverage while protecting delicate surfaces. Many kits include multiple shapes and sizes, so you can handle different clips and panels easily. It's also handy for removing door panels, dashboard components, and even exterior trim. If you enjoy customizing or repairing your vehicle, this affordable tool set prevents costly cosmetic damage every time.
That wraps up our look at the 25 essential automotive tools on Amazon. I hope this list helped you discover some valuable tools that can make vehicle maintenance, repairs, and everyday garage tasks easier and more efficient. Let me know in the comments which tool impressed you the most or which one you already use. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with fellow automotive enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Gear Insider, ring the notification bell, and check the links in the description for pricing, details, and more information.